the session on lateral thinking. So today in this video, we will solve some lateral thinking puzzles. But before that, we have to know what is lateral thinking and why it is important. Right, so lateral thinking is a key to find new and better ways to do things. Innovation is necessity for competitive advantage and survival. Lateral thinking is a tool for creativity which leads to innovation. So, lateral thinking improves your problem solving skills and it is the highest form of thinking. So, this is all about lateral thinking. So, make a habit of solving these kind of puzzles every day so that you can improve your IQ. And I know all the people who are here are the smartest persons ever. So, let's get into the video now. So the first question is, everyone in the world break me when they speak every time. Who am I? Just take a moment, pause the video and try to answer this question. And I hope you all have done. So the answer is silence. Isn't that interesting? Coming to the next question. Work on the living, they don't even mumble, but work on the dead, they mutter and grumble. What am I? So try to answer this question, take a moment, pause the video and do the same. And I hope you all have done it. And the answer is leaves. Walking on leaves, they grumble, right? So this is the answer. And the next question is, what occurs once in a minute, twice in a moment and never in 1,000 years? Who am I? Pause the video and try to answer. And the answer is the letter M. That means in minute it comes one time and in moment it comes two times. So isn't that fascinating? Coming to the next one. The question is, forward I'm heavy and backward I'm not. Just take a moment and think. The answer is in the question itself. Pause the video and do it. And I hope you all have done it. The answer is ton. So forward ton, ton is heavy and backward it is not. So the next question is, where does today come before yesterday? So this is pretty good question. Just try to answer this. And the answer is in the dictionary. So in the dictionary, according to the alphabetical order, T comes first and Y comes later. And thank you so much for being here. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe our channel and stay tuned to our channel for more such lateral thinking puzzles.